Welcome. Set up your Squarespace online store in 1 minute. Beginner friendly. Step 1. Create an account and choose a commerce-ready template. Step 2. Open the home menu and click Commerce to start settings. Step 3. Add a product. Upload images, title, concise description, then save. Step 4. Add variants and SKUs, then set inventory quantities. Step 5. Confirm save. Use preview to check layout and note key publish clicks. Step 6. Set pricing, regular price, sale price, and tax options. Step 7. Configure shipping, add zones, rates, and package sizes for accurate costs. Step 8. Connect payments. Enable Squarespace payments, Stripe, or PayPal and verify. Step 9. Review checkout settings, enable receipts, and set customer notification emails. Step 10. Place a test order to verify checkout, shipping, and payment flows. Publish your site, monitor orders in commerce, and optimize listings over time.